presenting the 2009 Nissan Altima. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include front-wheel drive, battery-saver timing device, electric PWR vehicle speed-sensitive rack and pinion steering, PWR front-vented and rear solid disc brakes, dual chrome-tipped exhaust finishers, halogen headlights, easy rear access passenger seat lever, front door map pockets, tilt and telescopic steering column and push-button ignition. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.